All right, here's a question where it says maximum area.
Yes, Caitlin?
And so I'm looking for a parabola that looks like this, and I'm going to be looking for that point there, the vertex. Okay, so I'm probably going to be using the minus b over 2a, and then you plug that into the function and solve. So this will tell you what either the length or the width is, and this will tell you what the maximum area is. But first we have to come up with a quadratic equation. So they tell me the perimeter, and here's the formula for perimeter, is 76 feet. So I'll put a 76 in there. And then just simplifying that equation there, I'll divide everything by 2. So this will be 38 is equal to L plus W. So the length together have that. Now what I want to do here is I want to solve for one of the variables. So let's maybe subtract L on both sides. So if 38 minus L equals W. So that's a relationship between the width and the length of this rectangle. Another thing we know about rectangles is that their area, which is where I'm headed now, is equal to length times width. Again, there's two variables there, so what I can do is here, I've said that width is equal to this. So everywhere there's a width, I can plug in that. So I've got L times 38 minus L. Just multiplying that through, that would be 38L minus L squared, or minus L squared plus 38L. And there's a quadratic equation. What was I going to say? Oh, there's a minus in front. That tells me that the parabola opens up downwards. And so there'll be a maximum point there. So I just need to take this equation and from it come up with the vertex. I could complete the square, or it's probably more efficient if I just use that formula. So to find the x-coordinate of the vertex, I plug into that. So negative something over 2 times something. B in this case is 38, and A is a negative 1. So if I divide those, I think that comes out to a positive 19. And the x, since here I'm solving for L, that means that the length is 19. Now, if I wanted to know what the width is, I could. Here I've got the width solved. I could take that 19 and plug it in right there. So 38 take away 19 is the width. Therefore, the width is 19. But they want to know what the maximum area is. And so if I know the length, here's our area formula. If I know the length is 19 and the width is 19, multiplying those two, I think, comes out to 361. Another way you could have found out that maximum area is by doing this part of the vertex formula. So plugging in the 19, everywhere you see an L in that equation right there. So if you go negative 19 squared plus 38 times 19, if you do that, you should come up with that same number. I think it's 361, whatever 19 times 19 is. Hopefully that helps you with that one.